Origin 2017 introduces new Trellis Plots, multi-paneled graphs that allow you to easily display multiple categorical and numerical data. To show an example of this, let's go to Origin Central and open the Trellis Scatter Plot with Mean Overlay. Here we have some data showing the percent of internet users in different countries within different continents of the world. Our Trellis panels are divided up to show data by year, as well as whether the countries in question are developed or developing. Now let's recreate this graph by going to our data, and then selecting the region and percent internet users, which will be displayed as our X and Y ranges within these plots. And then, let's open the Trellis Plot dialog. Here we can see our selected data is set to be the input of the graph. Then, for the horizontal and vertical inputs, we'll select the column for the year and one for the developing index. After clicking OK, we'll find that a Trellis plot has been generated with scatter plots for this data. We'll first make some modifications to the scatter plot symbol, and then adjust our labels to be more easily visible. Now let's generate our second set of data. To do this, we'll go into the Statistics tab of our worksheet and select the region and the mean number of internet users. Opening the Trellis Plot dialog for a second time, we'll set it to be a line and symbol plot, and once again set the year as the horizontal variable and development index as our vertical variable. After modifying the labels on this plot as well, we'll now combine the two into a single graph. To do this, we'll open the Merge dialog, then specify the two graphs we will be merging, and set the number of rows and columns to 1, superimposing them on one another. Because they have common labels, it's important that we leave the Show Axes frame box unchecked. After clicking OK, we can see our two graphs have been combined. After removing extra labels and updating the legend, we now have a graph displaying the same data as our original. This is just one brief example of the many ways that Origin's new Trellis plots can be used to show statistical data.